Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lecture, we will learn how to solve the subtraction of fraction. And our question is subtract the following. Our first part is 3 upon 7 subtract 4 upon 7. In given fraction, the denominator are same, that is 7. So we will write the single denominator and subtract the numerators. The numerator of first one is 3. We will put a subtraction sign and subtract the numerator of next fraction, that is 4. Now we will subtract 3 and 4. When a larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, we will get the negative sign. 3 subtract 4 is 1, but 4 is greater than 3, so we will put the negative sign here. So our answer is negative 1 upon 7. Our next part is 3 upon 9. Our next part is 7 upon 9 subtract 5 upon 9. In both the denominator are same, so we will write the single denominator, that is 9, and subtract the numerators, that is 7 subtract 5. When 7 is subtracted, when 7 and 5 is subtracted, we will get the result 2, and the denominator of this fraction is 9, so we will get the result 2 upon 9. That means when 7 upon 9 subtract 5 upon 9, we will get 2 upon 9. Our next part is 6 upon 8 subtract 3 upon 8. In this fraction, the denominator are same, so we will write the single denominator, that is 8, and subtract the numerator, 6 subtract 3. When 6 subtracted, 6 and 3 are subtracted, we will get the number 3, and the denominator is 8, we get the fraction 3 upon 8. That means when 6 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 are subtracted, we will get the 3 upon 8 as result. Our next part is 3 upon 4 subtract 5 upon 2 upon 5. In both the fraction, the numerator is 2 and 3, and the denominator are 4 and 5. The denominator of these fractions are different, so we can't directly subtract them. In that case, we will use the cross multiplication to solve this question. First of all, we will multiply 3 and 5. Now we will put the subtraction sign, and now we will subtract 2 and 4. And in denominator, we will subtract both, we will multiply both these denominators. 3 times 5 is 15, subtract 2 times 4 is 8, and in denominator 4 times 5 is 20, so we will write 20 in denominator. Now when 15 and 8 are subtracted, 15 subtract 8 is 7, and in denominator the number is 20, so our answer is 7 upon 20. Our next part is 4 upon 5 subtract 11 upon 14. In this case, the denominator are also different, so we will cross multiply in this question also. So first of all, we will multiply 4 and 14 subtract 11 into 5, and in denominator we will multiply both these denominator. 5 into 14. When 4 and 14 are multiplied, 4 times 4 is 16 and carry 1, 4 times 1 is 4, and the carry was 1, we get 5. That is 4 times 14 is 56. Now 11 times 5 is 55, and in denominator we have to multiply 5 and 14. 5 times 4 is 20, so we will write 0 and put 2 as carry. 5 times 1 is 5 and 2 was carry, so we get 7. That means 5 times 14 is 70. Now we will subtract the numerator of these, and the denominator is 70, so we will write 70 in denominator. 56 subtract 55 is 1, so our answer is 1 upon 70. Our next part is 5 upon 21 subtract 1 upon 7. In this fraction the denominator is 21 and 7. Here 21 is multiple of 7, so we will make both these fractions like fraction. To make these fractions like, we will multiply 1 upon 7. When 7 is multiplied by 3, we will get 21 in denominator, so it will become like. As we multiply 7, as we multiply 3 in denominator, we have to multiply 3 in numerator also. We have multiplied by 3, these two will become like fraction. Like fraction can be directly subtracted. We have to subtract only numerator of these, and the denominator of these will be same. Here the denominator is 21, we have to subtract 5, subtract 3. When 5 and 3 are subtracted, we get the 2, and denominator is 21. That means when 5 upon 21 subtract 1 upon 7, we will get 2 upon 21. Our next part is 3 whole 1 upon 4 subtract 2 whole 1 upon 3. First of all, we will convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 times 4 times 3 is 12, and 1 it becomes 13, and the denominator of this fraction is 4. That means mixed fraction 3 upon 1 upon 3 whole 1 upon 4 is equal to 13 upon 4. And next mixed fraction is 2 whole 1 upon 3. 3 times 2 is 6, added 1 is 7, that means 7 is numerator and denominator is 3. It becomes 7 upon 3. Now we have to subtract these two. In these fractions the denominator are different, so we will cross multiply these two fractions to find this answer. 13 times 3 is 39, subtract 7 times 4 is 28, and now we have to multiply denominators. 4 times 3 is 12, the denominator is 12. Now we will subtract numerator. 39 minus 28, 39 subtract 28 is 11, and the denominator is 12, so we get the answer 11 upon 12. Dear student, you can proceed then same in last one part.